Welcome to our lesson about using rack and pinion mechanical mates. In my graphic area, I've got an assembly where the pinion on top here and the rack on the bottom move independently. Let's begin by activating the Mate tool. Scroll down to the Mechanical Mates section, expand it, and let's right-click and clear this selection. Now we can select Rack and Pinion Mate. This mate, just like the gear mate, simulates interaction between the rack and the pinion. Now remember, it's just a simulation, not an actual physical interaction between the components. For the rack mate, I'm going to select this edge. And for the pinion, I'll select this circular edge. Next, I need to specify the pinion pitch diameter. That's the distance that the rack travels per each revolution of the pinion. Let's check out how this works. If the rack travels in the wrong direction, just check the reverse box to flip the direction. And let's accept and cancel out of the Mate dialog window. If you look closely at the interaction of the components, notice that the teeth intersect. Once again, this mate doesn't take into account the true physical interaction between components. And this concludes our lesson about the rack and pinion mate.